Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at home. Today I am going to teach you the double O sound words. So, this is your book Fun with Advanced English. You have to open page number 38. Okay? This is a double O sound words. Look at here. Today date is 14 August 2020. The first word is speak and write with me. What is this? This is tool. Here is double O now. Then we will say tool. Long sound words. We can say then long sound words. T double O L. And next word is, what is this? This is moon. Here is double O. Then we will say moon. And you have to speak and write the spellings with me. M double O N, moon. This is wool. We use in winters na, wool. W double O L. This is cool, cool things. We use in summer days. Cool. C double O L. Next word is, do you like it? School. You all are missing now? Speak and write the spelling with me. S C H double O L. This is school. The next word is balloon. In birthday party we use balloon na? B A double L double O N. We have to pronounce balloon. Next is lose. L double O S E. What is this? This is goose. G double O S E. Goose. The next word is food. You eat food na? F double O D. Food. The next word is tooth. T double O T H. Here is double O. Then we pronounce tooth. That is mood. आपका mood कैसा है? अच्छा ना? Yes. M double O D. Mood. And what is this? This is noon. 12 o'clock. We can say noon. So students, you have to write this double O sound words in your notebook. It is your classwork, and the 39 number page is homework. You have to do practice and speak and write. Thank you. Have a nice day.